Getting ready for the farmer's market tomorrow. We're out here early picking lettuce and got it in the bubbler here, cleaning it up, getting it ready for some lettuce bags tomorrow. And we have a bunch of dinosaur kale here. We'll be washing this up and taking it. A lot of times, and of course we picked our dinosaur kale here, it's looking mighty scrawny, but a lot of times I try to make a harvest video for the market, but I get started and I never finish. Now this is the collards, and we'll be picking leaves off of here and getting some of these together for the market tomorrow. We'll also, our greens here aren't quite ready. They're getting close, but they're not quite big enough. We'll be harvesting most of this leek out of this batch, so that'll kind of finish that up. And we're going to come in here and harvest some fennel out of here and take that with us. And I've got some beautiful fresh cut fennel and a few leek. It won't be very many this week. These are just about to play out of that batch. We have some more here, but it's going to be a little bit before it's ready, and then we have a little bit earlier set down there. And out picking a few strawberries too, getting them ready for the market. All right, after we get these washed up and prepared, what we do is we move these into the cooler. Now, that way they'll stay to their maximum freshness until we get them to the farmer's market.